Hello friends. Today we are going to see how can we get date and time from the remote computer. Getting time zone is easy, but getting time is little bit tricky because whenever we will try to get the time from the remote computer, it will convert the time to your computer time zone and then it will show the result. You can see in first example like we are fetching the time zone very easily. So here we have the script ICM like invoke command on this three computer server 1, 2, 3, and this is the three computer which we have, and we are using gate hyphen time zone, and then we are just selecting the uh, like we are filtering that result into the standard time, and we are just selecting this value. So let me run this, and you can see here the time zone from the different computer we have got. Okay, now we will verify this result here. So let me give the same command time zone, and you can see here dateline standard time, here Pacific Indian standard time. Okay, and you can see here on the first computer dateline Pacific and Indian standard time. So it's easy, right? Now we will try to get the time from the remote computer. Okay, so we have this script now, and we just have used the gate hyphen date, right? Now we will invoke this command, and you can see what time we will get. See, it has shown the day, date, and the time. Now the time is same for all three computer, right? Is it? Okay, let's check. So on the first computer, the time is running on 2:19 a.m. Then on second computer, 6:90 a.m. and 7:49 p.m. Okay. So three different times on three different computer, but here it is showing the one time only. Why? Because it is converting that time to your time zone. So your clock is running on this time zone. So that is the reason. So now we will see how we can get both date and time which is running on the remote computer at the same time. Okay, now we can see in this script where we are like we have included some parameter and we are getting date, time, and the time zone from the remote computer at the same time. Okay, so again we have used this variable where it will get the server name from this text file. You can see this text file have the three computer name 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's go to the second line. Another variable result uh, is equal to at the rate brackets. Now here the it is creating the empty array, okay, and it will fill the data whenever we are running the script. So again we have used the for each statement here for the servers in server, and now here we have used three variables, okay, t means time, tz means time zone, and the day like date we want, right, from the remote computer. So here we are invoking the command and we are saving the result in this array. Here again the second command and we are saving the result in the second array. So what we are doing in this script? So we are invoking the command and here we are giving the computer name, okay, get hyphen date. Then we are using the filter here, hyphen display hint. I want time, okay. Then again the pipe, then select object. We have again applied the filter here, expand property, and we want to select the date and time, like date time. Uh, Hyphen error action silently continue. So here we are getting the date, we are getting the time here from the remote computer, and it will show us show the timing which is actually running on the remote computer. Okay, because of this whole property, this one. It is not just get date. We have to apply the display in filter time, then select object, and then we have to expand the properties and have to select this one. Then it will give us the time from which is running on the remote computer. Now second variable again we have created, right? So it is created for the time zone. So what we are doing here, we are using the get hyphen time zone command, and there we are using only the select object hyphen ID. Either you can select the ID, right? Here we can see here. Now I have given the get hyphen time zone, right? But it is giving me this much result. Now if you see here, ID, standard name, daylight name, it's equal, right? So you can get the ID, you can get the standard name, you can get it anything. Like it will show you the same result. So that is the reason we have used here ID, but you can use the standard name also, no problem in that. Now here we have used the day, right? Because I want to get a date which is running on that computer, because it is possible, right? Whenever you are running the script, like, or you are viewing the time on the remote computer, it might be 7 a.m. or 7 p.m. in your time zone, but on the same day, but it is not mandated that the another computer is also running on the same date. It might be the previous, or it might be the further date. You can get it, right? So that is the reason to make sure that we are using this command. Okay, so it is very useful when you're working on the global computer time zone, where you have the multiple time zones, multiple countries, where you have to apply some script or do the patching on the same time on all the computer. Okay, so invoke command, here we are using get hyphen date, but here we are using the format because it don't give us the date format which we want. So that is the reason we want to just reduce it to the date only. So we are using this year, month, and date. If you want, you can just do it by yourself. You can give anything according to your need. Now you will get it. Like here we had used the result variable, right? At the rate and bracket, because it is a empty array. Now here we can see here we are saving the result into that result array, like plus is equal to new object hyphen type name PS custom object hyphen property in the ordered manner. Okay. So here we are filling the data into this variable. So what we are filling here, so we are creating a table, like it have the column server, date, time, and the time zone. And here we have given like the server, which we are running the script, then day, here the day, then time, which is coming from here, and the time zone, which is coming from here. And then at the end, we are showing this result. Okay, so I'm running this script on the three computer. Let's see how it works. Let me clear the result, and let's run the script. Okay, you can see here the server it's coming 1, 2, 3, and the date it is showing as the 12 February. Okay, on all the computer, but the time is a different. Okay, now we'll compare the time. On the server 1, it is showing 2:26 a.m. Okay, is it correct? Yeah, 2:27 a.m. Right, perfect. Then on the second computer 6:26 a.m. Okay, on the second computer 6:27 a.m. because 1 minute is already passed, and 7:56 p.m. Okay, now here 7:57 p.m. So it's correct one, right? So you can see now we are able to get the date, then time, and the time zone for which that computer is running in the one script. So you can use this script for your patching requirement, or if you have any other requirement to get the time on all the remote computer, you can use this script. If you have any doubt, you can just put that into the comment box and I'll try to answer that. Thank you for watching the video.